Do your Excel and PowerPoint presentations have impact? Does what's on screen engage your audience? After this course, it will. You'll be able to extract data in seconds. Easily add formats such as data bars and Sparklines. Select the right charts and format them to highlight your message. You'll learn how to create engaging dashboards using slicers and pivot charts. Add eye-catching animation to all your charts. Use simple techniques to engage the audience. And have total control over what appears on screen. Spend a day with us taking a fresh look at how you use Excel and PowerPoint to get your message across. Thanks for watching.